How to fix invalid destination address in Realme C53 or C55. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the airplane mode. Now turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then scroll down and click on apps and click on app management. Now scroll down and click on messages app and click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of messages app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and click on reset phone, and here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.